Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Yanti.
Yanti, how old are you?
34 years old.
34 years old. Are you married?
No, I'm divorced.
Divorced. Oh, sorry. So do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
If you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children?
Sorry?
If you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children in Indonesia?
Oh, my mother.
Your mother. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, Yanti, I know you have working experience in Hong Kong.
Yes.
Am I right? Yeah. So may I know what kind of job you did in Hong Kong before?
Before I work in Hong Kong, my job take care of children.
Or you need to take care
7
of
years old.
Okay, okay.
7
You
years
take
old.
care of children. Okay, so can you speak Cantonese? Because you have working experience in Hong Kong before. So do you speak Cantonese?
Yes, I can, but little bit.
Little bit. 哦，少少廣東話 OK 係咪？
Okay.
好，
我識少少啊。
識少少唔緊要，唔緊要。啊，係啦，姐姐，咁我想知道咧，你之前喺香港照顧小朋友係幾多歲嘅小朋友啊？How old the kid？
7歲。
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 啊，男仔定女仔啊？男仔定女仔？啊，boy a
女
girl？
仔女仔。
啊
女仔。
，OK，你中唔中意照顧小朋友啊？
我中意啊。
哦，你中意照顧小朋友 ，OK。咁你如果再嚟香港做嘢咧，你準備做幾耐？
FT 咗4年咯。
準備做4年，做4年。哦，非常好。咁你咧如果照顧小朋友啦，如果我有份工咧，屋企就先生太太一個仔仔5歲，男仔啊，咁佢要返學放學啦，咁你要陪小朋友啦，佢係搭校車嘅。搭車返學啊嗰啲咯，咁你要送佢去返學啦，跟住可能放學咧再接咯咁樣啊，同埋咧冇自己房啊，你要同小朋友同一間房上下架床 ，you need to share room with the boy the kids 啊，so it's okay for you?
It's okay, no problem.
No problem. Okay. So also maybe your holiday not on Sunday is okay. Are you okay for that?
It's okay.
It's okay。有時星期日冇放假，但係老闆俾錢你，或者唔放假，或者要放假咧，可能會調假咁樣咯。咁呢個係到時候老闆會安排嘅。The holiday will be arranged by the employer. Maybe sometimes it's holiday on some days, but sometimes no Sunday will replace the money to you.
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay，姐姐，can you cooking Chinese food？識唔識煮餸啊
Yes, I can cook Chinese. Try vegetable,
哦
chicken soup.
，chicken
Yes.
soup。So can you go to market by yourself marketing？去街市買餸啊，識唔識啊？
哦，識啊。
識啊，去街市買餸都 OK 啊。好啊，好啊，好。咁嗱，都希望你嚟香港做嘢咧，咁照顧小朋友咧要有愛心啊。Maksudnya kamu harus sabar ya sama anaknya ya。好，咁同埋咧你照顧小朋友咧，咁當然平時做嘢嘅時候唔可以玩手機喎，知唔知啊？
哦，啊。
係啦，係啦，因為有要睇住小朋友安全噶嘛，係啦。好，咁嗱暫時冇其他問題啦，咁我再同老闆傾下咧，我再通知你啦。Thank you so much. I will discuss with the employer, then I come back to you later.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye, bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.